Okay, here's our program which, just to remind you, drags an image around when we move the mouse or when we click on the mouse. What I'm going to do now is add a bit of interest to it by making that image rotate. Now the rotation is a parameter here, RO equals, well, let's call it A. But wait a minute, what does that A stand for? Well, we need a variable. So we can create a variable like this, and let's add an item, and we said we were going to call it A, so we'll call it A, and we'll start it off initially with 0. So now when we draw this picture here, it should be rotated by an angle of A degrees. But we need to make it rotate, we need to keep changing A. So what we can do here is add a tick event. 20 times a second we'll get a tick, and if every time we get a second we simply add 5 degrees to A, which we can do like this, then we should get rotation. Now after doing that we need to make sure we draw the image, so that should be alright. Now how will that look neat? Maybe if I move that there and put that there. Okay, let's give that a whirl. So we'll start here, we run, nothing happens until I click on the image, and now here it is rotating. If I let go it stops. That means we're up here, and if I click on it again it starts rotating again.